there is a new of a tendency of making short webinars, 2025 webinars, and book a call. So it doesn't matter, it's the same strategy. The key part here is that you need people to stay on the webinar.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why the first 2 3 minutes, you have to sell people on why they should stay. If you stay until the end, you are going to learn blah blah blah. If you stay until the end, I'm going to give you this. This is Joanna. Joanna has made $100,000 with my strategy, and she was sitting like you 6 months ago, like selling on how to, like, why you have to stay in the webinar. Okay. And after you do that, the key on a webinar is you have to make people feel like you. Let me I have this here, and I really want to tell you this, guys. So you really need to make people believe that the method you are teaching actually works, number one.
Yeah.
Number two, is easy to implement and they can do it. And number three, they need to feel the emotion of starting right now. So imagine, and I'm a big superhero fan. When I saw when I saw the trailer for, when I saw the news that the Flash, the movie, because my favorite superhero is Flash. Actually, we have a discussion with Russell on why Batman was worse than Flash, because for me it doesn't make sense to prefer Batman, but I give that one to him because it's Russell Brunson. But I when I saw the new, I was like, oh my god! And I stopped what I was doing and I started to search for more info about the Flash and all that stuff. And that's
Yeah.
how to make people feel. It's not about what you teach. It's about how you make people feel and how you inspire them to make the thing that you're teaching, right? And so I don't want to talk a lot, but like, guys, it doesn't matter if your webinar have 3 secrets, 5 secrets, 100,000 secrets. You really need to make people believe that this is easy, this work, and that they can start right now. If you
Yeah.
can make people believe that, you are going to change their emotional state and they are going to buy.